31, December 30, 2025. The ground temperature is 11 degrees Celsius or 57 degrees Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead storage bins to retrieve your items as this may have shifted during the flight. All passengers with connecting flights out of San Francisco will be given priority. Remain seated until your roll numbers have been called upon for deplaning. Passengers who need assistance, please approach your cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you.
Welcome to San Francisco.
On behalf of Captain Patrick Palileo and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Welcome to San Francisco, May. Ano masasabi mo?
Wala akong masabi.
We made it.
Mabilis eh.
Philippine Airlines wishes you and your loved ones
Pagbaba natin mamaya, bibit-bitin ko ito.
Thank you for flying with the heart of the Filipino.
Ito?
Mabuhay.
Bibit-bitin ko ito.
Yep.